Tired of fumbling with cash or cards? Let's unlock the power of lightning-fast, contactless payments with Revolut. First, open your Revolut app and tap on the cards icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your virtual and physical cards. If you don't already have a card, simply tap Add Card and follow the prompts to create a virtual card instantly. Once your card is ready, ensure it's activated for a physical card. This usually involves making a chip and PIN transaction first for your virtual card. It's already active and ready to go. Now, the crucial step: make sure NFC or near-field communication is enabled on your phone. This is what allows the magic to happen. Head to your phone settings, search for NFC, and toggle it on. The location of this setting may vary depending on your phone model. Next, you need to add your Revolut card to your mobile wallet, either Google Pay on Android or Apple Pay on iPhones. Follow the instructions within the Revolut app to add the selected card to your chosen wallet. Make sure Revolut is set as your default payment method. Alright, payment time. When you're at a checkout, simply hold your phone or your Revolut card near the contactless payment terminal. You should hear a beep or see a confirmation on the screen indicating a successful transaction. And that's it. You've just made a contactless payment with Revolut. It's quick, convenient, and keeps your transactions secure. Enjoy the ease of cashless living.